nasty nights.
Brothers, if we mean to capture this heavily fortified castle, it's vitally important we stick rigidly to my plan. On my mark, we will rush up the steep hill here, avoiding the flurry of arrows that will be raining down on us from the battlements up here. Those of us who survive will cross the drawbridge if it hasn't already been hauled up, whilst trying to avoid the boiling oil that will be poured down on us from the gatehouse. We will then pass under the razor-sharp portcullis, which may or may not be dropped upon us, resulting in some light head loss. Then we will take on the 50 or so armed guards within the castle grounds. Should we defeat them, then, and only then, the castle will be ours. Barring any unforeseen difficulties. Any questions? Yes, Davis?
That is completely insane.
That's not really a question.
No, I'm sorry, but you're not seriously suggesting that that's the plan? What, with the arrows and the boiling oil and the razor-sharp thing and the boiling oil?
And the guards.
And the guards, yes, thanks, Jeff. It's suicide.
Why did you two become knights in the first place, out of interest, if you don't know? Anyway, that's not the only plan. There is a plan B, brothers.
Well, go on, let's hear it then.
We sneak around the back of the castle and enter the building at this point here, where I have discovered a shaft that leads directly from the edge of the moat to his lordship's living quarters. We shimmy up the shaft, capture his lordship, and then, and only then, the castle is ours.
Well then, plan B sounds perfect.
Well, wait a minute. Are you sure there's no boiling oil poured down this shaft?
No.
Yeah, well, what about the razor-sharp thingies?
That's a negative.
Archers? Any archers?
No. Plan B it is, then!
Are you sure it's completely unguarded?
Listen, I sent Sir Royston on a mission to check the routes. This shaft is completely unguarded. Am I right, Roysty?
Yeah, it's completely unguarded. All the way from the bottom of the shaft, right up to the castle toilets.
I don't know what you guys are planning to do. I'll probably do plan A.
I think I'm going to stick with plan A as well.
Plan A was my plan, so I'm A-okay with plan A. Thanks anyway, Royston.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks.
Took one for the team.